Lesson 1. Learning Resource Maps for Distance Learning. This lesson will give you the map of learning resources needed for the implementation of the different distance learning or DL subcategories. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to, number 1, assess the LR needs and concerns in our school, discuss and reflect on these needs and concerns, and third, gather possible solutions to resolve these LR needs and concerns. The key topics or concepts we can encounter the distance learning resources, the LR maps, and subcategories of distance learning. Resources required, very deep of the following: learning resource or LR map, and your study notebook. For activity 1, here is the situation. The DepEd Memorandum on Suggested Strategies in Implementing LDMs for SY 2020-2021 included in the Learning Resource or LR map as a guide in selecting the appropriate distance or LDM to be implemented in schools or divisions. Study this map and answer the following questions in your study notebook. Number 1, based on the map, what resources should you have in order to implement the LDM adopted by our school or division? Number 2, do you have the complete resources for the distance LDM need in class? If the LRs are not complete or not available, what steps will you take to make this available? What are your options to substitute these missing LRs? Number 3, what support will you need to maximize the use of the 2 DepEd sanctioned LR portals? From whom you can get the support? And number 4, based on your evaluation of the materials, are they appropriate to the level and characteristics of our learners? Are there learners who might be disadvantaged by the materials based on the reading ability, level of learning independence, level of household support, and the distance? What adjustment will you make in terms of the LRs